Good morning, friends. Today we'll discuss last 20 MCQs in cloud computing to get placed in Accenture. First question, we can apply a border to dash. Option A, cell. Option B, paragraph. Option C, table. Option D, all of these. Borders can be applied to various elements in the document processing. You can apply borders to cells, paragraphs, and tables. Therefore, the correct answer is option D, all of these. Second question, what is the shortcut key to open the open dialog box? Option A, F12. Option B, Shift F12. Option C, Alt plus F12. Option D, Control plus F12. The shortcut key to open the Open dialog box in Microsoft Office applications is Alt plus F12. Third question. You cannot close an MS Office application by dash. Exit from file menu, pressing Alt plus F4, clicking X button, close from file menu. You can close an MS Office application by pressing Alt plus F4. This is a common keyboard shortcut to close the active application. Next question. By default, footers are printed on option A, all pages, option B, first page, option C, last page, option D, even pages. Explanation. By default, footers are printed on all pages, meaning they appear at the bottom of every page in a document. Next question. The options portrait and landscape come under dash. Option A, page size. Option B, page orientation. Option C, page layout. Option D, page rotation. The option portrait and landscape are related to page orientation. They allow you to choose whether your document or page should be oriented vertically or horizontally. Next question. Which menu or group will you use if you want to change the typeface of selected text? Option A, edit. Option B, view. Option C, format. Option D, tools. To change the typeface font of selected text in Microsoft Office applications, you would apply typically use format menu or the font group within the ribbon. Next question, which key combination is used to insert a line break? Option A, shift plus enter. Option B, alt plus enter. Option C, control plus enter. Option D, function plus enter. Explanation. The key combination used to insert a line break is shift plus enter. Next question. What does the function key F12 do when you are using the MS Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint? Option A, open save as dialog box. Option B, shows open dialog box. Option C, display save dialog box. Option D, opens font dialog box. The function key F12 in MS Office applications is used to open the save as dialog box, showing you to specify a new file name and location when saving a document. Next question. Suppose there is a text in a document that is bold, red in color with green background. We want to apply all of these formatting to another paragraph in one go. Which option will we use? Option A, format button. Option B, format menu. Option C, format painter. Option D, format macro. To apply multiple formatting attributes from one text to another in one go, you would typically use a format painter. This tool copies the formatting of one element and applies it to another. Gutter margin is used to add space to the header size, add space to the left, add space to binding side, add space to the footer side. Gutter margin is used to add space to binding side, typically for printing or binding purposes, to ensure content near the inner margin is not obscured. Next question. A computer cannot do anything without a. Option A, chip. Option B, memory. Option C, output device. Option D, program. Option E, none of the above. A computer cannot function without a program. Programs or software provide the instructions and data that a computer needs to perform tasks and operations. Next question. The ability of a computer system to remain operational despite various failures is option A relation, option B schema, option C resilience, option D versatility, option E none of the above. The ability of a computer system to remain operational despite various failures is resilience. It refers to the system's capability to continue functioning even when faced with hardware or software issues. Which of the following memories must be refreshed many times per second? Option A static RAM, option B dynamic RAM, option C EPROM, option D ROM, option E none of the above. Dynamic RAM must be refreshed many times per second to maintain the data stored in it. Unlike static RAM, which is volatile, dynamic RAM provides or requires periodic refresh cycles to keep data intact. This you learnt already in COCA, I think. Which of the following is the expansion of EBCDIC? Option A extended bit comparable to digital interface for computer. Option B extended bootable computerized digital infrared calculator. Option C extended binary coded decimal interchange code. Option D extended binary coded decimal information code. Option E none of the above. The expansion of EBCDIC is extended binary coded decimal interchange code. It is a character encoding standard used in computing. Next question. A digital device that processes data is known as option A data processor, option B data entry, option C DBMS, option D database, option E none of the above. A digital device that processes data is known as data processor. It refers to a device or system that performs operations on data such as computation and analysis. A generalized software package produced to meet the needs of a variety of data processing users is known as option A utility programs, option B system software, option C operating system, option D application package, option E none of the above. A generalized software package produced to meet the needs of a variety of data processing users is known as application package. It typically includes software applications like word processes, spreadsheets, and more. Next question. What is the name of the display feature that highlights areas of the screen which require operator attention? Option A pixel, option B reverse video, option C touch screen, option D cursor, option E none of the above. The display feature that highlights areas of the screen requiring operator attention is reverse video. In reverse video, text or background colors are inverted to draw attention to specific content. Next question. A data item which is not broken down into smaller units is Option A, data element. Option B, elementary data item. Option C, data entry. Option D, database management. Option E, none of the above. A data item is not broken into smaller units. Is it is a single indivisible piece of data, that is data element. Registers, which are typically visible to users and used to hold conditional codes, are known as option A PC, option B memory address registers, option C general purpose registers, option D flags, option E none of the above. Registers that hold conditional codes and are partially visible to users are known as flags. These flags store information about the results of the CPU operations. Next question. A system program that helps the execution of user programs is known as option A system software, option B application program, option C batch operating system, option D utilities, option E none of the above. A system program that assists in the execution of user programs is referred to as utilities. Utilities perform tasks such as file management, data compression, and system maintenance. Thank you.